it's just we never see that purpose. When Allah Ta'ala says that book is for till day of judgment, so that means no matter how far we go, still that book will show us the path. It's on up to us now that from which angle we look at that book. Now we have very special guests. There are 3 kids, mashallah, who have prepared for you 99 names of Allah. For them, it's a big thing, and I will really appreciate if you appreciate them from heart without clapping. And just listen with your hearts, not with the ears only, because I think that will mean a lot for them. And as Sahil said, that kids are our future, so that's why they are here on the stage. I would like to call Shahram Yasir, Roshan Yasir, and Ayan Nawaz, please. Can you all 3 come on the stage? Yeah.
دستارك يا من هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الرحمن الرحيم الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر الخالق الباري المصور الغفار القهار الوهاب الرزاق الفتاح العليم القابض الباسط الخافض الرافع المعز المذل السميع البصير الحكيم العدل اللطيف الخبير الحليم العزيز الغفور الشكور العلي الكبير الحفيظ المكين الحسيب الجليل الكريم الرقيب المجيب الواسع الحكيم الودود المجيد البارس الشهيد الحق الوقيل القوي المتين الولي الحميد المحسن المبدي المعيد المحيي المميت الحي القيوم الواجد الماجد الواحد الصمد القادر المقتدر المقدم المؤخر الأول الآخر الظاهر الباطن الوالد المتعالي البار الطوال المنتكب الغفور والمالك الملكي ذو الجلال والإكرام المقسط الجابي الغني المغني الباري الطار النافي النور الهادي بديع الباقي الوارث الرشيد الصبور.
Mashallah, mashallah. I'm very, very proud of 3 of you. You know, to be really honest with you, I don't know 99 names of Allah by heart. And I think it's a big thing. Jazakallah khair, mashallah. You should be proud as well. And keep on going, yeah? So we have a small nasheed for you as well, prepared by these kids. So Ayan, you can take a seat. Thank you so much, Ayan. So, kids, can I ask you why you have chosen this nasheed?
This is a nasheed about the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and how he was our hero. This is for all the kids that have come here today to listen to Sahil Adib. We all have heroes in life. you're into sport, you might have a sport hero, or a math hero, or a science hero. But the one ultimate hero of all life is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was our mercy to the world. Our knowledge, Allah has spread His words through the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this nasheed is all about him and what he did.
MashaAllah. So it's a polite reminder. Can we just I'll keep it a bit low and bit quiet, so you will enjoy, and we will give our best as well, inshallah. After this nasheed, inshallah, so Sahil Adeem will be on the stage with you. So yeah, boys, go on. Bismillah.
You were always unselfish and sacrificed everything you risked to change life. Even when there was darkness, you broke the shackles and brought light. You called everyone to believe in Allah. Oh Muhammad, you are my hero. You are my hero. You are my hero. Always my hero. It's the way that you smile with serenity, and how you forgave all your enemies. I will always hold your love and all your teachings in my heart. You called everyone to believe in Allah. Oh Muhammad, you are my hero. You are my hero. You are my hero. Always my hero. You are my hero, and I'll keep you safe in my heart. You are my hero till the end and from the very start. You are my hero, and you'll always be the best part of every single day. I will follow you, hero. You're my hero. You are my hero. We have one more. We have two more lines. Bi wa abi fataytuka sayyidi salatu wa salam alayka ya nabi. Which means, may my mother and father be sacrificed for you, O my prophet.
Jazakallah khair.
Amin.
Hello. Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much, Shahram Yasir, Roshan Yasin, and Ayan. We are really, really proud on you. And your waiting is over. Sir Sahil is here, ready to come on the stage. And I know you all are eagerly waiting for him. If we talk about Sir Sahil Adeem, to me, you are